Hi, fourth grade. Today's lesson is Unit 8, Lesson 2, so 8-2, real life angle measures as additives. So you're going to apply your understanding of how to add different angle measures to get a total angle, and a total angle measure, and you can use that knowledge to figure out unknown angle values. So let's get started with our mental math. Our mental math was some multiplication problems involving a fraction and a whole number. So let's get started. The first one is 2 times 3 6. So just to review, you are going to multiply the whole number times the numerator, which would give you 6, and the denominator stays the same, so it becomes 6 sixths. And we know we can write that as 1 whole. Okay, number 2. 7 times 8 eighths. Now, there's two ways you can do this one. You could do it the same way, doing the whole number times the numerator. So 8 times 7 would give you 56, and the denominator stays the same as eighths, which we know 56 is a multiple of 8, and 7 times 56 is 7 times 8 is 56. So you would get 7. You also know that 7 times 8 eighths can be written as 7 times 1, because 8 eighths is a whole, and 7 times 1 is 7. So either way, you get the same answer. Okay, the last one for this set is 3 times 2/3. 3 times 2 is 6. The denominator stays thirds. 6/3 is equivalent to 2 wholes. Okay, let's do the next set, which is going to get a little bit more challenging. Okay, the first one is 6 times 2/4. 6 times 2 is 12, and you keep fourths as the denominator, and if you have 12 fourths, it is equivalent to 3. Okay, the next one is 4 times 5 tenths. 4 times 5 is 20 tenths, and 20 tenths is equivalent to whole number 2, because 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, last one for this set is 12 times 2 twelfths. 12 times 2 is 24, and you get 24 twelfths, which can also be written as 2. Because 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, our last set is going to be the most challenging. So 9 times 3/4. I know 9 times 3 is 27. 27 fourths. Now, 27 is not a multiple of 4. So you have to think what number times 4 would get you close to 27, because you're going to have some sort of a remainder, some extra piece. So I know that 4 times 6 is 24, so I could take out 24 fourths, which is equal to whole number 6. And if I do 27 minus that 24, I'm left with 3 fourths. So your answer is 6 3/4. Okay, 8 times 4 fifths. 8 times 4 is 32. The denominator stays fifths. Now 32 is not a multiple of 5, so you know that you're going to have a mixed number, a whole number and a fraction. So what times 5 would get me close to 32? Well, I know 5 times 6 is 30, so I could take out 6 wholes, and I'm left with 32 minus 30, which is 2. So you're left with 6 2/5. Okay, last one is 10 times 50 hundredths. So 10 times 50 is 500. And you get 500 hundredths. 500 is a multiple of 100, so your answer is 5, because 5 times 100 is 500. Okay, please complete page 273 for your math message in your math journal.